And in this video, I show you how to save time and money when it comes to your product research. Let's go. It's your boy Alvin, back with another video. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you for joining us. And I just want to say, if you're looking for course level content without actually ever having to pay for a course, then I got you. I'm your guy. All I ask is you please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, what's up, you guys? So here we are in my computer, back to the Google Docs. So if you ever seen one of my videos, at the beginning we did a lot of Google Doc work. So we're back in the Google Doc, and like the title says, this is the characteristic of a winning product. So this video is actually really important, probably one of the more important videos I've ever put out on my channel. Only because you're probably right now, if you're a beginner, you probably and I know I was in this position. It's really hard to know what a winning product looks like. When you're at the beginning, there's so much information out there. They some people tell you, sell cat necklaces, sell they act as if you can sell like little tchotchke items and actually make money with it. When the reality that couldn't be further from the truth. To be honest, to sell on Facebook, it's a combination of these factors I'm gonna really talk about right now. And it's actually, I don't want to say it's easier than you think, but it's not. It's definitely not as easy as some people might lead you to believe. You cannot make money selling cat necklaces and little necklaces and little rings and shit like that. Like, I don't care what anyone tells you. I've never really seen that be a thing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you actually what it takes to have a winning product. These are some of the guidelines I've learned about, as well as I've seen in my own experience from products I've tested. And all of my my big winners, my six-figure winners, they've all followed a combination of these factors. And the biggest six-figure winners are going to include all of these factors together. So kind of the way I want to structure this video is I want to start out with telling you what the characteristics of the winning products are. Then I want to show you three winning products that are selling in the month of June. Definitely over six-figure products. Three of the top selling products in June that I've come across, and kind of analyze these factors within them, so so you just get so you have an applicable information of them. So then after this, you can take them into your own product test. So enough with me speaking. Let's get into the value. The first characteristic is, let me unhighlight it, a wow factor, right? And I put wow factor first because when it comes to Facebook and selling on Facebook and buying on Facebook, it's really hard to sell normal products on Facebook that people can get anywhere else, right? Say you're selling some like a knee brace or something, right? Or like an ankle brace or something like that. Something that's so common that you can find at any CVS, Sports Authority, any just normal store. There's no way you can convert that type of customer, right? So the products that you should be looking for have to have some type of wow factor, right? So always look for products that you've never really seen before. Products that when you actually look at it, you're really amazed by it. You're like, holy shit, I didn't even know that existed. Those are the best type of products, and those are the products you really see do they do the best on Facebook. The ones that people never really see before, or they're really seen by a very few amount of people. These are the products that are the best. Just think about how infomercial products work, right? They're always products you've never really seen before. They're kind of these amazing products, or at least the way they market it, they're amazing products. So wow factor is definitely the number one factor, I think, just because people who come on Facebook, they have this idea that this is the only place they can find this unique product they've never seen before. So wow factor is definitely number one. Number two, this is also important, but you can get away with not having this, but it really makes it so much easier if you have a problem. If you have a product that solves a problem, obviously that goes without saying why that would work, right? People want solutions to their problems. All of us do. I do. You do. We all want things to solve our problems. So look for products that solve a problem. If you can combine number one and two, wow factor and solve the problem, you have a multi six-figure win on your plate. That is guaranteed. It's obviously a little harder to find those, but solve the problem is a big issue because we all want solutions to our problems. Goes without saying. That's how any good product works. Number three, a big market, right? And when I talk about winning products, I mean there are products that you can make smaller level scales with. I find that it's actually it's very difficult to scale over to six figures per month, or even six figures in general with one product if it doesn't have a big market size. And what do I mean by this, right? If you're really niche down, it's really hard to make considerable profits with a product like that. So let me give you an example, right? So say I sell a golf product, theoretically a big market, but it's not really a big market. I've tested golf products before on Facebook. It's not as big of a general size audience as you think. It's a very, very niche down audience, and you can definitely make some money in it. But you're not going to really have a 6-figure winner. In my experience, in my opinion, with a market like that, golf, tennis, things like that. But you want more general size market, right? Markets that have millions and millions and millions of people, potential buyers. And I'll get when I go into the videos, I'm going to show you the 3 winning products selling right now, or at least the month of June. I'll show you kind of those markets they target and how they're hitting, and what I mean by a general size and big size market, if that's a little vague. And the fourth factor is it makes life easier or convenient. This is kind of almost similar to solve the problem, but not exactly the same, right? I'm gonna add a 5th factor as well. I didn't add. Increases confidence. This is a big factor as well. These are kind of more weight loss, health and beauty type products that I've seen are the best for these type of products. That's why they always sell, right? People want to feel better about themselves. It's one of the biggest factors in people buying decisions. Like even for me, right? When I want a new pair of jeans or something like that, I want a new pair of jeans that are that look cool and so I can make my outfit pop and really fresh. So we all want things that make us feel good, make us look good, and as well as find products that look that increase our confidence, right? So obviously you don't have to include your product doesn't have to have all 5 of these, but you want to make sure it's always number 1 imperative you have a wow factor, and then try to find some combination of the other factors as well, right? Big markets is pretty important if you want to really scale to 6 figures and beyond, but wow factor and some other combination of other factors, and you have a winning product on your hands. So now let me get into the winning product selling in June right now and analyze them for you as they are with the characteristics of a winning product. So this is the first one. It is this mosquito sticker, right? So pretty simple product, but obviously it's pretty powerful for a few reasons, right? So the first reason, obviously a wow factor. The wow factor is you don't need to put bug spray on your kids. It's just a little sticker you apply on yourself, and voila, it's it. Mosquitoes don't come near you. I've never really seen anything like that. I didn't even know something like this could exist. Maybe you guys have, but I've never seen something like this. So for me, when I first saw it, I was like, holy shit, like that's actually kind of crazy. I didn't know that possible. And let's look at the stats, right? So this has almost 5 million views and 38,000 shares, right? In just about a month. So that's freaking crazy. Like, they are killing the game. Good for them. Good for them. So it has a wow factor. Obviously solves a problem. Number 2, like I say, solves a problem. People don't want their kids getting bitten by mosquitoes, and they did a good job talking about malaria in the first 3 seconds. So they hooked the customer. So this obviously solves a problem, right? People don't want their kids getting bitten by mosquitoes or malaria, which may be a little extreme, but it definitely is a concern, and it has a wow factor. And number 3, right? This product also has a big market. The market for this is obviously children or parents for their children, and that's obviously a huge market. That's basically everybody. There's millions and millions of parents on Facebook. So huge market. No wonder they have so much shares, and no wonder they're definitely making over 6 figures with this product easy. And that's the first winning product. Number 2 is this. This car scratch remover. It looks like it just, you swipe on it and it just goes away. So it goes without saying what that wow factor is. Like, that's freaking crazy. Like, you just apply this cream and the scratch just goes away. Obviously crazy. Big wow factor. Solves the problem, obviously, right? Your car scratch goes away. People don't want scratches, or they don't want to pay a lot of money to get their car fixed. For a scratch. So solve a major problem, and with an inexpensive solution as simple as a cream or I don't know what you would call this, a solution. And a big market, obviously, people with cars. That's basically everybody. I mean, almost everybody has a car. or most people have a car, so huge market as well. So it goes without saying that's pretty simple. Obviously, this shows you why it's a winning product. The last product I wanted to show you, this is a pretty interesting one. It's definitely more of a wow factor than you probably see with the first two, or actually maybe not with the car scratch remover. But these glasses actually are adjustable in focus, so you can actually kind of zoom in and out almost like binoculars, which is crazy as a wow factor for me, because you could see basically anything. So wow factor, obviously with the adjustableness, that's the wow factor. Solves a problem. People with glasses, if people with glasses, they need to see better, and maybe if the glasses aren't strong enough or whatever it is. And this product has 6 million views and 27,000 shares in a little over a month. So obviously killing the game as well. And big market as well, right? People with glasses, bad eyesight, old age, things like that. So it follows the 3 characteristics of a winning product, and this is no doubt doing 6 figures as well. So like I said, these are kind of the factors of a winning product. Make sure you in your next product research, when you're going about it, you try to follow these factors, right? There is no money, and you are wasting your damn time if you are trying to find products like jewelry, cat necklaces, whatever other shit people tell you to sell. Like, that shit doesn't work. Do not sell this. You got to find products that people don't really see in stores that they've never really seen before, uncommon, have a wow factor, and then hit some of these other factors. That's the most important thing. So when you go on AliExpress and you do your product research, wherever you do your product research, look with these factors in mind. You will be on your way to quickly recognizing more winning products and actually finding your own winning products. That's the end of the video. If you stayed this long, I really, really do appreciate you. If you got some value out of the video, please consider giving me a like, a comment, and subscribe. As well as, if you're looking for more content by me, I actually made this this playlist. It's kind of a beginner to advanced Shopify and Facebook ads tutorial, all the way to, it'll get you up to speed with all the strategies I'm using right now. So click up here to watch that, or click up here to watch a different video. I don't know where it is. It's either one or here or the other, but they're right up here. So click and watch that. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.